Hello, good day everyone. I'm Maria Nicole from BSIT4B, presenting Activity 1. And in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to install a VMware Workstation Pro in your desktop. Okay, first go to Google Chrome, search for VMware Workstation Download. And then click the first link. Scroll down and then click the download now for Windows. Wait for it na ma-download. Click the downloaded file and follow the procedure that I'll be doing. And we successfully install and set up the VMware in your desktop. VMware Workstation 17 Pro new features. New auto start virtual machine, new guest operating system support, new virtual trusted platform module 2.0, new full or fast encryption features, support for WDDM 1.2. The VMware pros and cons. Pros: allow virtualization of physical system, creation of a wide range of virtual system from Linux to Windows, adapting to your current networking, easy to installation, easy access to different operating systems, same performance with real OS. Cons: requires a minimum of system knowledge, different VMs running at the same time can use a lot of resources. The machine running VM workstation must be very high performing. That's all for my activity 1. Thank you for watching.